Thanks for staying with us. It is 37 for 2 at this stage. Mumbai Heroes batting. Now either I'm bad luck or you shouldn't switch to positions because since we've been waiting for this interview, 2 wickets have fallen.
I think I was always looking forward, catching up with you guys. But, I think the nervousness of the ground and all these crowd, somehow kept us away from the camera. But I think it was always better to connect again anyway.
Okay, so no, honestly, what is tougher? Acting in front of the camera with this entire production unit or being here with this sort of crowd? I mean, it is packed to the brim.
No, I think this is a tough game. Facing the audience, it's like 50-60,000 people, rooting for you. I think that's the kind of pressure it's tough to handle. Yeah.
It really is. Did you expect something like this from this sort of venue? I mean, we've come to Kochi now. This is the first time, a new team for them. I mean, they're the ones under pressure in a sense.
We always thought that we are going to have a good crowd, but this kind of crowd, I think it's phenomenal. It's sheer magic. The kind of vibrations you get in your feet when you hear them roar. So I think it's phenomenal. Yeah.
Now, what about you? You're not playing. There've been a lot of injuries in your squad. What's going on?
Yeah, it's been.
You're working too hard. Is that it?
No, exactly. I would say we are all actors. We are not used to the sport. So it happens. Apu, Raja, everyone has gone through the injuries. But I think 1 or 2 seasons and we'll be all geared up for that.
All right. Now your vice captain is back in the ranks. So how has that lifted your spirits to have Ritesh back?
Yeah, we always wanted Rich back. We were always waiting for him, and today he's back. So it has really geared us up, and we are hoping him to score big. Yeah.
Well, I think they need you back there motivating you guys because you're in a spot of bowler. Thanks for talking to us.
Thank you so much. God bless.
All right, back over to commentary.
Short and sweet with Sonu Sood. Mayanti, as always, doing a lovely job trying to get in under the skin and really finding out what makes these film cricket stars tick. Oh, dangerous again. Look at that. You can't be casual. You got to watch out. You got to bend down. Go low on this pitch. It's not an upright pitch where you can stand and play your shots.
Yeah, it has become naughty, Atul, isn't it? The wicket, the vagaries of the bounce, very difficult to understand for the batsman. So one, you have to play with a vertical bat, also try and look off the front foot. This is what happened. Last ball of the previous over, a low full toss. Varun Badola got into that slot very quickly and hit that quite well and brought in despair in the camp of Kerala strikers. He goes big, this time finds the fielder at long on. Will only get a single. Good effort there by the fielder at deep.
Varun Badola looking for opportunities to go over the top. The last of the power play overs. Only 2 players outside the circle, but the 2 wickets have actually pegged Mumbai Heroes back.
Who is that, Atul? Since you have made all the preparation.
Oh, I would rather speak about this delivery. Sabah Karim just turned viciously. And you were right that the pitch has turned naughty. Normally men turn naughty at 40 after 45 overs. In this, not this game, the 40 overs. Oh, look at that. What can I say? I'm speechless.
It's in there. It finds the gap. This will run to the fence. Yes, it does. That gets a boundary the last delivery. After 6, it's 43 for 2.